Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So we're going to do a super quick update on Townstar. We're going to be just quickly checking out my build, what I've done wrong, what I should have done, and also I've got some bad news for you as well. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so like I say, this is going to be a super quick update. So it's just really a bit of a, like I say, a do's and don'ts kind of video. So basically, as you can see, we've got over 2 days left. So you're probably wondering, why am I doing an update this early? So we've got 2 days and 16 hours, 44 minutes left. You can see we're at 891st place. And basically, the idea of this week was that I'd got my NFT, my skins, which I told you I'd got hold of. So here are the skins I've got. You can see they have been added to my build, but obviously at the end of the day, if your build isn't that great, then even having skins is not gonna really give you that much of a boost to make a difference. So basically, we were set out already to do uniforms this week. Server started. I actually thought I'd got into the server really quickly. I was really pleased. It went to 0 and I thought I was straight in, but you know, I started looking around and it actually seemed that everyone, most people had got there before me, so that was a little disappointed. So basically, I switched the idea of going to uniforms because basically all the good spots with either one river or two river had been taken. So it was then, okay, I'm gonna have to do a wine build. I've never ever done a wine build in my life, and the place we ended up in was a spot, but it's right between two mountains, so that is definitely not a good place to be. I did seek a little bit of advice on the Lycan Warlord Gaming Discord channel. Great little channel full of people that want to help you, whether you're new, whether you're experienced. It is a real good place to just go and check out. Lots of different stuff there, lots of stuff for beginners, all that kind of thing. I will put a link in the description to the Lycan Warlord Gaming Discord channel. You get all your official announcements there as well, so go and check it out. So anyway, I was speaking to a member, Chaos. He gave me some of his time, and his suggestion when I told him where I'd landed in was blue steel. I kind of went against that, which was the big don't, because he definitely knew better than me. The reason why I kind of went against it is because in the past I'd actually just tried doing a steel build. I can't remember why, and it was absolutely terrible. And I just thought, and I was actually in a really good spot for that as well. And I thought, if I'm in a good spot for that and I can't make it work, then in being in a bad spot and trying to do a blue steel build, which is even more difficult and time consuming than a steel build, I just thought it's not going to be worth my while. So anyway, we set out to do this wine build, but because we're between two mountains, the big problem is you're getting 5 shade from each side. So there's only a small slither in the middle which actually you can run optimal. So the two problems, one is that really I can't use most of this side. I mean, what is that, 3-4 slots of this side, of the left hand side? I've basically put all my buildings down there because of the shade from that particular mountain. Obviously you need one mountain to do this kind of build anyway, but 2 mountains, because you just creates too much shade, that means there's loads of squares that you can't use for your crops. That means we're massively down on grapes, we're massively down on wood, and therefore my numbers, as you can see here, I mean, we've got 4 wineries, be even with 4. I mean, I've actually switched one off just to see if it made any difference in the sense of an increase of bottles of wine being produced. I actually think it's actually dropped slightly, so I might turn that back on. This here building here saying that it's ready was actually a 5th winery. But basically, when you look at the numbers, even at 4 winery, which at one point I think I was doing about 25, 26, even at that, it's still not enough to be competitive. And the thing is, because we're so down on we're so down on crops anyway, but especially optimal crops, I don't even think it could support a 5th winery. The amount of grapes we're making is massively low because, again, you're dealing with the shade. But also, as well, the reason why it is low, well, actually, that is the reason why it's low, is the shade. And things are just not growing fast enough. And then you've got the wine bottlers, which are also massively low. And that is basically because the reason why that's low is because I can't get my mines working fast enough. The reason why I can't get my mines working fast enough is because I can't have, or I haven't got enough lumber mills producing enough lumber. And the thing is if we look here, I've actually got 17, sometimes that goes as high as like 25 wood just sitting there. But if I turn on, I've got a spare lumber mill. If I turn on that spare lumber mill, all that wood goes. So yes, my mines start working better, but then I've got no wood to put onto my grapes to allow them to grow. So it's just a real bit of a bad situation. And you're probably wondering, well, with 2 days, 16 hours, you've got most of the infrastructure there. Why do you not just turn or basically shift over to blue steel? Because at least that might give you a better chance because of the advice I got from Chaos from the Lycan Warlord Gaming Discord channel. Big thanks to you, by the way, for giving me your time and your advice. But the reason why I'm not moving over, and this is the bad news, is that although pretty much 90% of the time since the beginning of the pandemic, I've actually been doing my job, my actual job, my main job from home, which has allowed me to obviously spend a bit more time doing my channel. Also has allowed me more time and given me the time to sort of really get into Townstar. So I've been very lucky in that respect. I know a lot of people have worked from home for a certain period of time during the pandemic and then are now back in their offices or back doing whatever. And, you know, like I say, the fact that I'm still working from home has really helped me in a few ways. But unfortunately, I got a phone call this morning that I've actually got to jump on a plane tomorrow and go and help one of our clients. So overseas, obviously. Yeah, so really the best I can do is I'm going to miss most of tomorrow afternoon. I'm going to miss Saturday and I'm going to miss Sunday, basically because it's an urgent job. I've got to go in and do my work over the weekend. So pretty much after today, this build, basically I'll probably just switch my computer off. So there's no point in me switching anything around. I am going to take a laptop with me just in case I end up spending more time over there than at the moment I've been told. Sometimes that can happen if these things don't get resolved quickly. I'm sure many of you guys and girls out there know that situation when you have to go and see a client. You think it's going to take X amount of time after speaking to them, and when you get there, it's actually a much bigger job than you expected. So therefore, I could actually be spending the next week or few days or whatever in a hotel. So like I said, I've taken my laptop. If anything major happens, such as obviously we're expecting season 3 with roller coin to kick off, stuff like that, I will try and drop a video for you guys. I really will do my best, but obviously there's no promises. I just wanted to let you know that that is going to be the situation. So you know, that's it. There's not a lot else I can do. I'm really sorry. I know a lot of you guys come to my channel looking for information, hints, tips, all that kind of stuff, and I really appreciate the fact that you do watch my channel and the support that you have given me. And obviously recently I posted that we crossed that 8,000 subscriber mark, which was absolutely huge. Really, like I said in the message, was really humbling. You know, the fact that so many of you have been with me for literally years and you are still here watching my videos and supporting my channel. And I can only say a massive thank you. And obviously for those of you that are new to my channel, I hope you stick around. And for those of you that are new to Townstar and you would like to see more videos, check out my Townstar playlist. It's full of how-to tutorials, lots of hints and tips and information for you, and it's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you could smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great weekend, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.